Hola mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba Aguilar, and in this video, we'll be doing another salsa basic known as Lateral. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright mi gente, before we start our lesson, I will show you a quick demo of how Lateral looks like with music. 5, 6, Lateral. Alright, let's break down Lateral, shall we? So Lateral is also known as the side basic in salsa. So we'll be doing this in the leader's perspective. So follow me nice and slowly. We're going to start off with the left leg, going to our left on 1. We're going to switch to the right foot on 2, and then feet together on 3. Let's try that first half nice and slow. We're going to go left, right, together. Again, we go 1, 2, 3. Otra vez. Y 1, 2, 3. Y 1, 2, 3. Last one. Y 1, 2, 3. The second half, we're going to go with the right foot to our right on 5. Then we go to our left with our left leg on 6, and then feet together on 7. Let's try the second half nice and slow. We went 1, 2, 3. To the side we go 5, 6, 7. Again. Y 5, 6, 7. Otra vez. 5, 6, 7. Una más. Y 5, 6. Full thing. Lateral. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3. Ahí nada más. Alright, so when doing lateral, you want to make sure, guys, that you're actually relaxing your knees, relaxing your hips, and going with the flow, right? Don't resist it. But don't go too much to the flow. Just enough where you can feel that sway, okay? So, again, let's try this lateral with music now in halftime, and then we'll do it with full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, nice and slow. Lateral, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, twice as fast. Here we go. And 1. Lateral. 1. 2 more times. 1, 5, 6, 7, 2. Y ahí nada más. Alright mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous video, we also learned a salsa basic known as Somontuno, or the front basic. Check it out right here. Until then, my name is Sieber. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends, y hasta la próxima.